Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, entertainment system, heated front seats, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.